Good morning, everybody. It's Chris.
And Joan.
For Chris and Joan's Travels. Hey, this is our day 3 blog we're going to do. Day 3, this is from Cabo. And
Our first port day.
our first port day. So we're in Cabo, St. Lucas. We had a great day. I started the day off with a nice little run. And then we went up to the spa. And we did our spa, the thermal spa for the morning. Got in the hot tub, in the thermal pool. Nice steam. Did the sauna, did the ice room, had some fun in there.
I slept.
She slept, yeah. Then we went up and had breakfast at the buffet. It was okay. I won't say the buffet food was at its greatest.
Yeah, the buffet's fine. It is what it is. But we had a good view. We had the view of, we're in the front area where on top of where the observation area is. So had a nice view of Cabo. So it was nice.
Yeah, actually, it was a great view pulling into Cabo and anchoring. And then after breakfast, we went down and tendered. We went down to the theater. So our tender spot was in the theater. So we went to the theater. We waited about 10 minutes max. And then they called our group and we got on the tender. And we tendered over to the port. And it took about 10, maybe 15 minutes max from the time they called our group to walk onto the tender to the time our group was on the tender. There were about 50 of us. And then we got on the pier. We got some pictures on the pier. We did our pier picture, and then we got in line for our excursion. We did the Chelino Bay snorkeling. They took us out on a nice catamaran, and then they took us over by Lovers Beach and the Arch. So we got to see all that. They spun the boat around. We got some nice pictures of that. We'll post those later. And then they took us up to Chelino Beach, and we went snorkeling for about 45 minutes.
Very nice.
We saw all sorts of colored fish. The water's not as clear as the Caribbean, but it was clear enough we could see the bottom. We saw rock formations, the coral. It was actually pretty cool. About 45 minutes, and then of snorkeling. After the snorkeling, you get back on the boat, and they serve you
Drinks.
chips, crackers, fruit, and then sodas, and of course adult beverages.
Yep.
And yes, we did it partake.
So yeah, they have this excursion was good. They provided drinks. So initially it was soft drinks and water and juices. And then after you did the snorkeling, then they provided snacks. Like you said, we had chips and cookies and fruit, and then adult beverages, which they served with some good music. So we had a good time.
Yeah, that was a blast. That actually was a very good time, very good excursion. And then we got back to the port, and we had about 2.5 hours till we had to head back to the ship. So we went walking around the port. Joni went shopping. We probably spent about an hour and a half actually shopping.
We walked down the area to the Cabo sign and the lighthouse area, where the lighthouse is with the Cabo sign. It's getting dark.
And we took a bunch of pictures. Yeah, they just turned off the lights. Nice. And then after that, we went back, got cleaned up, and went to Los Lobos for dinner. Oh, that was very good. I will tell you this: it's a 5-course meal. It's one of the specialty dinings. So
Yeah.
we didn't really understand that. So we started out. We got chips and salsa, and Joni got some queso and fajitas to dip, and then we ordered, as an appetizer, we ordered a chicken quesadilla
to split.
Oh my God, I was done there.
Huge.
But then Joni, for her entree, she got 3 tacos and corn and rice, and for mine, I got carne asada, corn and rice. I couldn't eat the whole thing.
Yeah, I couldn't eat the tacos. I had 1 taco and that was it. I just took so full. It was good. Everything was excellent.
Really good food. Much better than we thought.
Yeah.
And then we got dessert. Of course, we had to eat the dessert because that's what you do on a cruise. And then after that, we went walking around for a little while, and we went to the theater for the Adult Comedy Club.
That was fine.
And I like that they do that in the theater because it was just packed.
Yeah.
There must have been 800 people in there.
So yeah, you don't need reservations. You just go in. So that was good.
And then after that, we walked around, and then at 10:15, we went up to the pool deck, and they were doing an 80s tribute party, and that was actually pretty good.
People dancing and watching the 80s videos. It was good.
Yeah, MTV at its best.
Yeah,
And then at the end, after that, we were like, okay, we're done for the day. And we went and got a drink and went to bed.
Yep.
So that's our day 3 vlog. That was Cabo in a nutshell, everything we did yesterday. Hope you guys like it.
All right. Hope you like this video. If you do, like and subscribe. Give us a thumbs up. Comment below. Let us know what you think.
Yeah, please comment. We don't get any comments.
Yeah.
Tell us if it's good, bad, or indifferent.
Let us know what you think, and we'll have more for you later.
Hey,
and check out our other videos.
This is Chris.
And Joan.
Chris Joan Travels. Bye.
Bye.